I would request everyone to please stand up as our honorable guests are here. I would request everyone to please settle down. Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of Gujarat Technological University, I, Assistant Professor Tosha Shukla, welcome you all in the closing ceremony, that is valedictory session of the grand finale of Smart India Hackathon 2018. So here we are, after rigorous work of last 36 hours, we will celebrate this eve with our chief guest, Shri Saurabh Patel, Honorable Minister of Energy. Thank you, sir, for sparing your valuable time with us. Moving on, we would like to welcome the dignitaries on the dais. I would request Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to please welcome Swamiji. Sir, please. VC sir. Thank you, sir. I would request Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir GTU to welcome our chief guest, Shri Saurabh Patel, with shawl. Moving on, I would request Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir GTU to please give a welcome address to the audience. Sir, please.
Namaskar. Good afternoon. Respected dignitaries on the dais, Pujaniya Swami Adhyatmananda Ji, the chief guest of today's function, Honorable Minister Sri Saurabh Bhai, Director ISRO Tapanji, Rajesh Khandelwal Ji, Chief Judge Haresh Bhatt, our BOC member Amit Bhai Thakur, our Registrar Sailesh Bhai Panchal, other dignitaries, team of judges, faculties and all participants. So very first, again I welcome here at this Hackathon 2018, Smart India Hackathon 2018. When I came in the morning, I really impressed with the all participants that even after a sleepless night, they are very fresh, like a first day, with a full enthusiasm. Now all teams are working very nicely. And really, the interaction with the Prime Minister yesterday, all the students are highly motivated and they have decided with a dream of our Prime Minister that we are using our talent to solve the problems of our nation. We work for the nation. We can do, we can achieve. And the whole team with the full enthusiasm and inspiration working whole night. So this is not the end of the function. It is just a beginning. Innovation is a continuous process. So there may be a winners out of 64 teams, maybe first, second, third. It does not mean the remaining their work is useless and anything. Every team and their efforts are very, very important. It is the winners teams is one step ahead, but remaining they have achieved, and definitely they will achieve the goal, because our goal is very clear: to solve our problems, to help our society, to help our to solve the problems of our nation. So definitely, best wishes on behalf of me to the all participants. The hackathon is a good platform for the creative youth to solve the challenge and innovation to the find digital solution. This way, the students can contribute significantly to the Digital India dream. GTU and ISRO are hosting the Smart India Hackathon 2018, in which more than 500 students and mentors of 17 states will try to give the solution for the 18 problems of ISRO. So this year, 27 central ministries and 17 state governments have sent more than 900 problem statements. After scrutinizing 408 problems, the finalists selected for the hackathon 2018, 17,400 teams registered with the participation of around 1 lakh students of engineering, management and MCA. These entries were scrutinized, and now 1,296 entries are selected for the grand final. So GTU created India's first student startup policy in 2014, which later AICT took it at the national level in 2016. If some of the team wish to set up startup from the solution that they developed during the hackathon, GTU will extend all possible incubation support. We encourage the students to become problem solver and contribute to nation building. This year in recently concluded Gujarat Hackathon, 23 teams from 30 winning teams were from affiliating college of GTU. We are committed to platform to the young students so that they can showcase their creativity. So dear students, so this is the best platform provided by our government, the central government, that the students can showcase their ideas. It is a festival of creation, festival of innovation. So definitely all the students, they will solve the problems which is given to them, either the problems they solve today or in future also. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words are always inspiring to us. I would request Mr. Jigesh Patel, sir, from ISRO, to please thank Vice Chancellor, sir, for his address. Thank you so much, sir. Moving forward, I would like to invite the Director of Space Applications Center, Dr. Tapan Misra, sir, to please address the August gathering. Sir, please.
Honorable Minister of Gujarat Government, Saurabh Patel ji, Vice Chancellor of GTU Naveen Sethji, and Pujaniya Swamiji Adhyatmananda ji, and all dignitaries on dais, I must extend a great congratulations to all the participating team members. I think it was just not a celebration of mind, it is the celebration of creativity. And for that, you spent sleepless nights and brought out a solution to the problems given to you. And when I look at you, I know the country is in the right hands. And you will bring not only laurels to your parents, to your universities, to your colleges, but to your country itself. And who knows, from all of you, there may be some great industrialist will come out, some great scientist will come out, and that ISRO could provide, along with the GTU, a small effort to make these things possible. It really, really fills me with pleasure. And I, as Naveen Sethji said, there will be a few winners, but I think the difference will be 19 and 20. The difference is not there. And maybe those who think that they have not got the award today, maybe you'll become a much better industrialist, better startup people. And I always acknowledge GTU that they will provide that a platform for bringing up a startup from your ideas. It is your ideas, if you can convert to and product and monetize your ideas, I think that will be the greatest reward you can get from this hackathon. I wish you all the best in your future endeavor. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was great to work with your team. Moving forward, I would like to invite Swamiji to please address the August gathering. Sir, please.
ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्ति, पूजामूलं गुरोर्पदम, मंत्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यम, मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। ओम शांति। हमारे आदरणीय गुजरात राज्य के मंत्री श्री सौरभ भाई, GTU के आदरणीय अधिकारीगण, ISRO के भी अधिकारीगण, मित्रों, वैदिक कथाओं में एक सुंदर बात का बड़ा उल्लेख है। एक गुरुकुल में कुछ छात्र रहते थे। एक छात्र पढ़ने में बहुत कमजोर था। गुरुजी ने कहा, बेटे तुम घर चले जाओ, पिताजी को मदद करो, यहां पढ़ नहीं सकते। गुरुजी की पत्नी ने रास्ते में उस बच्चे के लिए कुछ खाना बना के दे दिया। जब वो बच्चा थक गया तब उसने वो खाना खाया। एक कुआं था साथ में जिसकी दीवार भी थी 2.5-3 फीट ऊंची, उसके पास में सो गया। जब आंखें खुली तो उसका चेहरा दीवार की ओर था। एक बहुत छोटी सी चींटी बहुत बड़े कीड़े को मुंह में लेके ऊपर चढ़ रही थी। चढ़ती है फिर भी गिरती है, फिर चढ़ती है, फिर गिरती है, फिर चढ़ती है, फिर गिरती है। प्रयत्न करती रही और चढ़ गई। इसके मन में भी एक प्रकाश हो गया। ये इतनी छोटी चींटी 8, 10, 15 प्रयत्न करने से अगर अपना ध्येय प्राप्त कर लेती है, मैं तो इतना बड़ा इंसान हूं। वापस आया, गुरुजी मुझे पढ़ने का एक और मौका दो। हाँ वो बेटे, कोई चिंता नहीं। वो जो पढ़ने लगा तो ऐसे कि उसके दाएं बाएं क्या हो रहा है कुछ पता नहीं। सब समय उसका मुंह किताब में रहेगा। यहां तक कि जब वो खाना खाता है, किताब में मुंह है, ऐसे करके खाने से लेता है। जब कुछ दिन बीत गए तो बच्चों ने कहा कि बड़ा ढोंगी है, नाटक कर रहा है। तो चाहते क्या हो कि इसकी परीक्षा करेंगे कि ये सचमुच में किताब में ध्यान है कि खाने में है। वो जो खा रहा था, ध्यान किताब में था। बच्चों ने खाने की थाली हटा दी और जलते हुए कोयलों की थाली रख दी। और सबके आश्चर्य के बीच में उसने जलता हुआ कोयला भी उठा लिया। किताब में ध्यान है, हाथ में जलता कोयला है। मुंह में रखने वाला था तो गुरुजी ने हाथ पकड़ा। बेटे तुम क्या कर रहे हो? हाँ क्या हो गया? ये बच्चा है, वो हमारी भारतीय संस्कृति संस्कार के साहित्य की जड़ है। उसका नाम है पाणिनि है। इस पाणिनि ने जो कार्य किया है, इनोवेशन जिसको हम कहते हैं, कि अंग्रेजी में हम सीयूटी कट कहते हैं, पीयूटी पट नहीं कहते। वो पुटी ही कहना पड़ेगा। क्यों? कोई रूल नहीं है। संस्कृत में ऐसा नहीं है। संस्कृत का तो नियम है, आई उन रलिक एवो अंग आई औच, कुछ भी है। ये अ आ ई उ क ख गले से ही बोला जाएगा। प फ होठ से ही बोला जाएगा। त थ जीव और दांत से बोला जाएगा। ये इतनी बारीकता से उसने इतना अध्ययन किया। उसके पीछे एक शक्ति क्या थी, एक ऊर्जा क्या थी, कि स्वामी विवेकानंद जी महाराज ने कहा, स्ट्रगल 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 इज द साइन क्वा नॉन ऑफ लाइफ एंड स्टेग्नेशन इज द डेथ। संघर्ष जीवन है, स्थगितता मृत्यु है। रिमेंबर नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल। आप अपने आप को सोच लीजिए कि इसके पहले 36 घंटे क्या आपने ऐसे गुजारे थे क्या? आप अपने जीवन में एक नई ज्योति को, एक नई ऊर्जा को, नई आशा को, नई उमंग को लेकर के जा रहे हो। मुझे तो इतनी प्रसन्नता है। कल भी मैं बोल रहा था कि जैसे हमारे ये संतों का एक कुंभ मेला लगता है, ये यहाँ के ये टेक्निकल इंजीनियरों का एक महाकुंभ लगा हुआ है। मैंने कहा इनको तो प्रणाम ही करना चाहिए। ये तपस्वी लोग हैं कि जिनकी पूरी मर्यादा, पूरा ध्यान अपने लक्ष्य की ओर है। दोस्तों, ये जैसे कि अभी कहा गया, ये आपके जीवन के पड़ाव का आरंभ है, समापन नहीं है। जस्ट प्लॉड ऑन स्टडीली, ब्राइट फ्यूचर अवेट्स यू। और मेरे मन में हमारे गुरुदेव श्री स्वामी शिवानंद जी महाराज हैं, उनकी एक सुंदर काव्य है जिसको मैं आपके साथ में बोलना चाहूंगा। थोड़ा मेरे साथ में बोलिए। जितना याद रखेंगे तो रख लेंगे, नहीं तो एक शब्द भी याद रहेगा तो जीवन बन जाएगा। ये आपके विद्यार्थी जीवन की एक चाबी है। बोलिए, सेरेनिटी, रेगुलरिटी, एब्सेंस ऑफ वैनिटी, सिंसिरिटी, सिंप्लिसिटी, veracity, equanimity, fixity, non-irritability, adaptability, humility, tenacity, integrity, nobility, magnanimity, charity, generosity, purity, and immortality you have to learn in the Smart India Hackathon University. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Those were the golden words for the students. Moving forward, I would like to invite our guest of the evening, Shri Saurabh Patel, sir, Honorable Energy Minister of Gujarat. Sir, please.
Shri Swami Adhyatmanand Ji, Dr. Naveen Sheth, Dr. Tapan Mishra, Secretary from the Government of Gujarat, Dr. Rajesh Khandwala, Shri Harish Bhai, Shri Amit Bhai Thakkar, Shri Shailesh Bhai Panchal, judges, faculty members, and students participating in this event. I'm sure it must be an hectic 36 hours for all of you. A lot of excitement in this 36 hours. You must have learned a lot also in this period. Government and universities gave you issues, problems for you to resolve. And I'm sure you must have gone through a lot of details before coming out with solutions. A lot of ideas must have flowed through your mind. Maybe many of those ideas may click for the governments in the years to come. But one thing is for sure, that this 36 hours of yours must have given you a new direction, or maybe might give a new direction in your life in the future. See, if you look at our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, he's got a good vision. And that is the reason why these events have taken place. He knows the strengths of India. He knows that our biggest strength is our youth. And if we want to make a dent in the world, then students have to play a very, very important role in the future. If we want to grow. So right now, what do we do? Or we compare ourselves with the Western world or the developed world. Why are the developed world ahead than our country, in spite of the fact that we have better resources, we have cheap manpower, we have everything with us, but still the developed countries are maintaining the lead in the world. One of the main reasons is that they spend a lot of money on research, they spend a lot of money on innovations. Today we have made a beginning. This beginning is resolving government issues. This is maybe the first year, maybe the second year. The central government has done, the state government has also followed. But if the success ratio in the initial years is so good, then you can imagine what is going to happen after 5 years or 7 years or 10 years. Earlier, universities were only teaching. They never had a workload of research or workload of encouraging the young students to come out with better ideas. Say you look at Western universities. Every university has its own research center which is very, very powerful. Every university gives ideas to the government, not only for policies, but even for many of the new technology which comes in and which the government have to implement. And that is how the universities build up their name, their reputation, because they can say that this student, this person was studied, had come up with ideas, we promoted him, and that university is this and this. Today we are making a beginning. See, GTU started, ISRO started, PDPU started. Now, is there a better institute for space research than ISRO in the country? They can concentrate on this sector. PDPU can concentrate on petrochemicals. Different universities can concentrate on specific sectors. And I'm sure in the years to come, government itself will also give lot of budget, lot of provisions from their state budget to these universities to promote such research and innovations by the students. Honorable Prime Minister started iCreate. I don't know whether you heard of that or not. But when he started the iCreate, everyone in the government was wondering, okay, what is the institute for? Why he's spending so much money on such an institute? We were told to make a policy, and we made a startup policy. And when we went to make the startup policy, and I was involved in it, I know the bureaucrats were literally fumbling because they didn't know where to start from. Because they never had made such a policy for promoting startup. We have had so many policies in different sectors, say textile policy, manufacturing policy, IT policy, to promote hotels. We come up with tourism policy. Every policy which the state government had. But to promote a startup, everyone was lost. It took a lot of time. And what we did? We contacted a lot of professors from different universities, had a brainstorming with them, and from that brainstorming we came out with a policy. We initiated it, and we are learning from it. And tomorrow, I'm sure that it is going to be one of the most successful policies the state government has ever undertaken. Now, in iCreate, they mentor the student. He comes up with ideas. And when he comes up with ideas, we give him financial support also. And I created an institute by itself, by which they even try to find out a venture capitalist for the student. And if the student comes out with a brilliant product, they sign an agreement with them, make a company, have a small equity in that company, and when the company grows, they can sell off the equity and make a profit by which they can get the expenses out of iCreate. That is the thinking. And that is how they just started. So today, many of you over here, why I said it's a beginning for you? Maybe today, if you have enjoyed this, you might come up with better ideas on your own. Today we have given you problems. But tomorrow when you're walking on the road or going in a car, you might see an issue. You might find a problem on your own. And that problem on your own, and if you decide to resolve it, you will become an entrepreneur by yourself. And once you become an entrepreneur, you just have to catch hold of such an institutes like iCreate or big companies who would be ready to take up your research activities and pay it to you. Or might be students over here who might become doctors, who will become PhDs and join big companies in research activities. Every field has a scope in the country. And if we want the country to grow at a faster rate, then our only way out is not by copying, is only by innovations. Germany has got its own strength. You look at the quantum of money which is spent on medical research. They come out with 10 products. Even if one product clicks, they recover all the cost of money which has been spent on research. And if you look at last 5 to 10 years, you will observe that the unthinkable has been made practical. 10 years back, we would not even have imagined the strength of technology. And today, you are reaping the benefits of this technology, which someone must have worked on it, someone must have put their brains in it. So this is a beginning for us, for our country. So you got wonderful opportunities tomorrow. You can be a normal human being like most of them are there. But you are not a normal human being because you have participated in this event. Not only participated, but you have shown interest in solving issues. And if you've really enjoyed it, then this is one opportunity which in future you can build your own roadmap of your life. So my congratulations to the whole team, all the youngsters who have participated here. I'm sure you must have coming from different parts of the country. You must have not had the opportunity even to move out and enjoy the city. Many of you might be leaving tomorrow, but you have the night with you. And Ahmedabad is really safe for even for girls. So there's no issue. Don't think it that way. Not a single person will harass you on the roads in Ahmedabad, even if you're moving alone. But go with someone so he knows the direction. So at least you can come back home safe. That's my advice. But enjoy, go to riverfront. It's a lovely piece. That's also an idea of Honorable Shri Prime Minister. It was nothing but a river which did not have even a drop of water. And today, it is one of the finest places which has been built by our Honorable Prime Minister. And maybe after 5-10 years, it will be much better. So there are a lot of places over here in Ahmedabad to see. And this is one I'm sure you would positively enjoy. My congratulations to the winners who will be winning this prizes today. And especially the organizers who have done a wonderful job, because they are finally the people who have put in a lot of efforts, the volunteers who are here, who must have gone through a lot of small details, and the judges finally, who must have had a lot of difficulties in deciding who the winner would be. So your issues which you have given new ideas, I'm sure we in the government will look into it. Positively, a brainstorming session would be done, and your thoughts will try to implement it and see how the benefit is given to the common man. So once again, congratulations to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was great to hear from you. I would request Director SAG, Dr. Tapan Mishra, sir, to please thank our chief guest with a memento. Meanwhile, we have with us Shri K.K. Nirala, sir, who has just joined us. Thank you, sir, for sparing your valuable time. And moving forward now, I would like to pass on the dais to our chief judge of the grand finale, Shri Harish Bhatt, sir, to please announce the winners of this hackathon. Sir, please.
Thank you very much. Good evening, everybody. I have not heard. Good evening. Thank you. So, as you promised me that each one of you will generate one application of space technology for societal application. Promise? I have not heard. Thank you. Now, coming to the results, there was tough competition, and I was told by judges that someone had a fantastic idea, but time was not sufficient for that team to show the demonstration. They did not have to lose their heart. The judges, if they find that idea was excellent and there is novelty, they will mentor further to implement in a full-fledged way, irrespective of your demonstration over here. Going further, I'll start announcing the winners in ascending order. We have Deloitte Innovation Award of rupees 10,000, which will be deposited in your bank account directly. That award goes to the ciphers. Cipher team, please come forward. Which place? Cipher team, please. It is from Heritage Institute of Technology. Money will be deposited to your accounts. Which city, sir? Kolkata. I request Honorable Minister Saurabh Bhai to give the certificates to the students. Thank you very much. Now moving forward, the KPIT Inspiration Awards of rupees 10,000. Again, the money will be deposited to their bank account. It goes to Code Smugglers. Code Smugglers is from Birla Institute of Technology, Pilani. Thank you very much. Next award is from Persistent Inspiration Award of rupees 10,000. Again, it will be deposited in the bank account. It goes to Jalwa Boys. Jalwa Boys from Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad. Thank you very much. The second runner-up of rupees 50,000 goes to AlphaGo. The next award for the first runner-up of rupees 75,000 and this runner-up trophy goes to MU Falcon. KJ Somaya College of Engineering, Mumbai. Thank you. And the most awaited winner of this particular mega final wins the prize of 1 lakh rupees. And award goes to WYSIWYG4. Siva Subramaniam, Nadar College of Engineering. City. Tamil Nadu. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to all the winners of today evening. It had been a great journey so far. Moving forward, thank you. Moving forward, we would like to appreciate our volunteers who have made this event successful. So the list goes ahead. Vishnudat Ranjan, Uday Tavade, Chintan Oshti, Bhavya Solanki, Rishit Joshi, Bhavya Raulji, Siddharth Shah, Jheel Shah. जैनिल शाह, अविनाश कोरट, देवेश कुमार शर्मा, पवन मूलचंद दानी, धनंजय सुथार, रविंद्र गुंजल, निशित शर्मा, कल्पेन पटेल. मिलन पंचाल, विवेक केवलरमानी, दर्शन, निखिल रंजन, रवि इंदर सिंह, भरत सतीजा, हिरल पंड्या, ईशा पाठक. कृतिका पंचाल, झलक पंचाल, मनाली पटेल, प्रशांत कुमार, जीत सुथार, कमलेश जाकर, आनंद राज, प्रभु कुमार सिंह. विक्रम कुमार, चंद्रशेखर गायकवाड़, आकाश त्रिपाठी, चिंतन परमार, केयूर वडालिया, रौनक बाबरिया, अमित राज पटेल. वेद प्रकाश, करण मकवाना, ध्रुव प्रजापति, धर्मित शाह, पंकज शर्मा, अभिषेक शाह, निखिल कुमार, दीपांकर गुप्ता. हसन, अभिषेक, विनय कुमार, कुलदीप, चिंतन छाटवर, सौरांश, सागर, सूरज। सूरज कानडे, चिंतन मोरे, जेनिश सबलपरा। Thank you so much. Moving forward, we would like to appreciate the jury members as well. Moving forward, we would like to appreciate the jury members who are there with us in the whole event. Shri Shashikant Sharma from ISRO. Jury members from ISRO, Shri Shashikant Sharma. I would request Chief Guest Sir to please honor them. Okay. Shri Atul Shukla, Shri Chandra Prakash, Dr. M.P. Oja, Shri Sameer Saran, Ms. A. Vijaya, Dr. A. Dibya Jyoti. I would request the jury members of ISRO. I would request the jury members of the ISRO. Shri Deval Mehta. Shri Deval Mehta. Dr. R. Gunnasundari, Shri Hari Shankar, Shri Shiva Reddy, Shri Nilay Nishan, Shri Pankaj Bodhani, Dr. Jay Kumar, Shri Narendra Kumar, Shri Raju Das. I would request all the domain experts from ISRO to please come forward. उधर वो बता देंगे आगे। डॉक्टर जय कुमार, डॉक्टर नरेंद्र कुमार, डॉक्टर नरेंद्र कुमार, Dr. Narendra Kumar. Shri Raju Das. I would request all the other four to please come forward at a go. Shri Rahul Sharma, Shri Kalpesh, Shri Sudhir Agarwal, Shri Parth Jani. I would request all the four of them to please come forward. Thank you so much. We would like to thank all the coordinators from GTU as well. I would request all the GTU members to please come on the stage. Mr. Karamjeet Bihola, Mr. Raj Hakani, Mr. Tushar Panchal, Mr. Hiranmay Mahanta, Mr. Parth Sejpal, Mr. Keyur Shah, Mr. Mahesh Panchal, and the whole core team of GTU. Please.
And Miss Tosa Shukla.
We would request all the dignitaries to please have your seat. Thank you so much. Moving forward, I would request now Mr. Murthy from ISRO to please thank Director of Technical Education, Shri K.K. Nirala sir, for sparing his time with us. I would request Hiranmay sir to please thank Dr. Tapan Mishra sir. I would request Mr. Naveen Shukla from ISRO to please thank Honorable Registrar Dr. S.D. Panchal, sir. Thank you. I would request Mr. Rajesh Parikh, sir, from GTU to please thank Dr. Haresh Bhatt, sir. I would request Mr. Sumit Sharma, sir, from GTU to please thank Mr. Rajesh Khandelwal, sir. Thank you so much. So moving on, I would request Registrar sir to please give a vote of thanks. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. As we close off Smart India Hackathon 2018 Grand Finale, it is my pleasure and privilege to propose vote of thanks on behalf of ISRO and Gujarat Technological University. First and foremost, I would like to thank our Honorable Prime Minister, sir, for motivating young students and giving vision to move ahead through the innovation. Honorable Union HRD Minister for initiating a great cause like a Smart India Hackathon at this scale to link the students with the challenges. Chairman AICTE for choosing GTU as a nodal center to host the Smart India Hackathon 2018. Honorable Cabinet Minister Shri Saurabh Patel sir to be our chief guest on today's function to give awards and inspire all. Honorable Education Minister Bhupendra Chudasama sir to join as a chief guest and being with us during the inaugural function. Director Technical Education Sri Nirala sir for being with us during the whole program and constant motivation. Swamiji, the Shivanand Ashram for permitting us to host this particular program. I also like to thank ISRO Chairman, Director SAC ISRO for motivating the stakeholders of the program. We would like to thank Scientific Secretary, ISRO Headquarters, Director, SAC, Associate Director, DACU and PRL for their continuous encouragement and support. Professor A.P. Mittal, Member Secretary, AICTE, who personally came down here during the morning to monitor these activities. Honorable VC Sir, GTU, for taking a leadership in hosting this program and mentoring. Director SAC, Sri Tapan Misra Sir, for wonderful support and co-hosting the program. Dr. Abhay Gere, AICTE, for execution of the program with the team from Persistent and remain present with us during the interaction session of the PM during the last evening. Principal Secretary, Technical Education and other officers of the Education Department for their active support and mentoring. Dr. Haresh Bhatt and Rajiv Khandelwal for nodal person from the ISRO officers of this event for their guidance and mentoring. We would like to thank and appreciate the effort of judges and domain experts of the different ISRO and DOS centers for mentoring and evaluating the solution of the participated students. We would like to thank ISRO Local Organizing Committee under the leadership of Dr. Haresh Bhatt and Rajesh Khandelwal to make this event vibrant and successful. We would also like to thank team of SAC, DACU and PRL for designing, printing, mementos and certificates, logistics, video coverage, volunteering supports, exhibition support, and making this event grand success. We specially thank and acknowledge the sleepless effort of SAC ISRO engineers in house designing and fabricating the gold-plated trophies. Thanks to all mentors, experts who mentored the team. Also like to thank team of GTU Innovation Council for coordinating and smooth execution of the program from end to end. Thanks press and media for covering entire event and spreading the spirit to this civil society. GTU IT teams. Special thanks to IT teams for, as well as the NIC for video conferencing, local ICT facilities and audio visual teams. GTU support staffs, all sections and their due to their day and night's efforts. GIC volunteers and associates. Thanks to all vendors and service providers. To all team and their mentors who have been our guests during the past 2-3 days, I would like to extend my heartily thanks to them also. To all colleges who have participated and ministries in other centers during this hackathon to make this national event movement. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of Shivanand Ashram, Arun Ojha, sir, the trustee of the ashram, would like to give a vote of thanks.
मंच पर उपस्थित सभी महानुभाव और सभी छात्र जो भारतवर्ष आए हुए हैं, शिवानंद आश्रम की ओर से हम बहुत आभारी हैं कि जीटीयू ने और ईश्वर ने हमको ये मौका दिया आप सबकी सेवा करने के लिए। ऐसा मौका बार बार हमको मिलेगा ऐसे हम अपेक्षा करते हैं। आपको कोई भी तकलीफ हुई हो तो हम क्षमा प्रार्थी हैं। आप सबका खूब खूब आभार। खासतौर पर सौरभ भाई आश्रम में पहली बार आए हैं मिनिस्टर बन के, तो उनका भी बहुत बहुत आभार। हमारी संस्था की ओर से आप सबका पुनः आभार।
I would request everyone to please stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे।